Hello guys, so in this video you're going to discover how to make money with affiliate marketing without any website. Alright, so this is going to be 100% free traffic, and you can even get 1000 free traffic every single day to promote your offer. So there's no investment needed, there's no credit card required, no experience and no skill at all. Alright, you can literally start for free even though you just know about affiliate marketing yesterday. Okay, because this step is very simple, because the most important thing is the key for this method is 1000 free traffic every day. Right, so how cool is that, guys? So before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification as well, so that you can get notified every time I upload my new video. And do give this video a thumbs up if you could find some value throughout my sharing over here. Alright, so that brings us to our content. Okay, so the website that I talk about is called herculesplus.com. Right, so this is the website, hercules.com, and what it does is it is actually a website that you can utilize 1000 real traffic for literally free. Okay, you can advertise to 1000 random people, which is real people, and then you can write and copy the ad copy. Then this website, which is Hercules, is going to help you to send all of your copy every single day to 1000 people, to 1000 real traffic. Okay, and you can also earn 50% of affiliate commission when you get people sign up under your affiliate link. So this is very powerful. Right, so to get started, it is literally free. As I told you, there's no credit card information needed. It is totally 100% free investment, and you are not going to lose anything. All right, this is 100% risk free. But before I jump straight into our content, before I walk you through the entire process, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like to this video, so that I know you like this type of video, so that I can produce more content similar to this. Alright, so you can get signed up, and it is totally free. You just need to fill in your name, your first name, your second name, and then your password. Right, so I have already signed up, so I'm going to log in instead. So I'm going to click on this one and click I'm not a robot, and then I'm going to click log in again. So by the way, this is a free website, guys, so you may need to go through like to skip a few ads in this website, but I think that is not a problem at all, because we can literally get the traffic for free. I think that is fair enough for us already. Okay, so once you land over to this site, you're going to be able to see the ad mailer over here. Right, so just hit off the ad mailer and I click, and then you're going to land over to this page. So I'm going to click continue to ad mailer. So this is the site. All right, so as I told you, you're going to need to go through a couple of ads first, but it just take like a couple of seconds to skip all those ads. So once you land over to this page, so this is where the magic happens, guys. So this is where you're going to be able to write your subject line, enter your affiliate ID, or I'm sorry, enter your affiliate link here, and then enter your ad copy also over here. But before that, just want to brief you out about the rules. Right, this is so important. So you need to go through the rules like this one: no porn or illegal business opportunities. All right, no subject lines such as account terminated, or any other subject lines that are made or to appear to be coming from Hercules admin and blah blah. You need to go through the rules first, because this is literally free, guys. There's no investment needed, so you need to use it wisely, otherwise you're gonna get banned, and I'm afraid once you get banned, you won't be able to get a new account anymore. Right, so it's really important for you to go through the entire process. Okay, the entire rules process. So as you can see, free members can send an ad daily to 1000 random members with this mailer. Right, so you can literally send 1000 your offer. You can send to 1000 random members daily, every single day. Imagine that, 1000 people per day equal to 30,000 people per month, guys. So just imagine if like 10% out of 30,000 or 5% out of 30,000 buy from you, you're going to be able to make a lot of money with your affiliate commission already. Okay, so that's the thing. So it's come to the ad copy. So now how you are able to write the ad copy if you don't have any skill or any experience before. Okay, so this is the crucial part, guys, because it's literally about your offer now, right? So we have the 1000 random members, but you need to remember that this is random members. This is not a targeted traffic, but so that you need to ensure, or you need to have a very compelling or very broad offer that everyone would love to buy, would love to purchase from you, right? So that brings us to second step, which is we need to find our affiliate offer. Okay, so I'm going to be utilizing clickbank.com, but it is totally up to you. You are free to choose whatever affiliate platform. I know that some of you may not be able to access this website. You can also use like WeatherPlus, JVZoo, or Digistore24. Okay, so as I told you, we're going to mail to 1000 random members. So in order to make sure that our offer is convert well, I highly recommend you to go for 3 niches, all right, which is the most profitable niches in the world, which is health and fitness, wealth, which is under e-business and e-marketing, and then relationship under self-help. Okay, so because these 3 niches are the most profitable, so regardless of whoever, they are more likely have some interest to buy from these 3 niches. Okay, so in this particular example, I'm going to go to e-business and e-marketing, since we are locked down, so the world economy is not that good. So I predict that so many people are interested to making money, right? To have some sort of financial freedom, to increase their income, and etc., right? So in order to do that, we are going to you can choose whatever product that available here. So I'm going to go for this one. So click wealth, right? Click wealth system, and then going to head over to this page over here. Okay, so what we need to find here is we need to find that the email swipe, right? So I'm going to click here if you have already subscribed, and then we're going to scroll down, and okay, boom, this is the thing that we need, right? So we literally don't need to write the ad copy ourselves, but instead we're going to leverage the email that already here. Okay, so let's take a look at the compelling one. We need to find the compelling subject, right? I think let's go one by one. I think this one is compelling enough. Your 500 per day profit system. Okay, what if today I can show you an easy way to generate 500, 1000, or even 5000 online, blah blah blah. All right, so the truth is that a 36 years old grandmother is already making over 5,000, right? So this is very powerful, because it's literally tell your audience that this is very easy to do, right? This system is very easy to do, because even 63 years old grandmother is also be able to make 5,000 by using this system. So I think I'm going to grab this one. So what I'm going to do next is simply copy, right? Go to copy, and then put my subject line here and paste, and then I'm going to copy the entire ad copy and then paste it down here. So I'm going to make it large a bit, and then I'm going to edit this one. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to edit I'm going to edit this one. Just going to click chat soon. Okay, so now what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to click promote. So now I'm going to generate my link, affiliate link. So maybe I want to put like the tracking. You can put the tracking. So maybe I want to put the Hercules, maybe Hercules list. Hercules. Okay, so and then generate hop links. Then I'm going to copy this one and go back to our page and then paste it here. All right, so that's all. So what I'm going to do next is everything is okay, and then I'm just going to simple click submit button. Do not click this submit button more than once. All right, so I'm going to click it now. So ad submitted, and then that's all, guys. So now your ads already submitted to 1000 people, and the best part, as I mentioned before, you can actually do it over and over and over again. Okay, so I have already insert my affiliate ID link, so that is actually the tracking ID. So I'm going to also promote other stuff as well, other product as well. You can literally sign up with a few different emails, so that you can have couple of accounts, so that you can actually send like a couple of thousand a day, and then you're going to see which product is actually convert well, and then we can actually double down from that tracking, from the result that we have. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, so that I know that you like this type of video, so I can produce more content related to affiliate marketing and free traffic in the future. Okay, and if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, how to make full-time income online, click my first link in my description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.